James is what the fuck game is playing? James, what game? Don't pick a game that's so stupid. Don't click the thing. There's
Just walk around.
Liar, but there's more or less people that is supposed to be motherfucker.
Just simply walk around.
Everything is just simply a rock around it. Oh, it's the thing. It's the thing. It's the thing. It's the thing. Thing.
Yun.
Just simply a walk around, motherfucker. Just slip.
Just
Oh,
jump
we
to the
don't-
people, jump to the people.
Can't jump. Just simply, what the heck? Just simply walk around it. Around it. I saw the video, but I forgot what is it. This is a video. Come on, buddy, you can do it. No!
It's fun. Just go.
Fire! You have to get your leg not touch. It's like,
The bugs.
you got the degree that do not die. Wait. Oh my god, my hitbox is so pop. I'm just gonna be skinny. I have this. I do not know why I have skinny. Oh, it doesn't work, so it still works. I just died to nothing. Or is it my hoodie? It's my hoodie! Wow! I cannot be anything if I have a hoodie. I have a hoodie and this is everything has a hoodie. I have to be a green bean. I have to be a green bean. Wait, it has a hoodie.
Wait, you can just write down someone. If you die.
How do we do this? James, why you pick this? So fucking impossible.
You simply walk around.
Just simply walk around it. Motherfucker, why you pick this? Just simply. Everyone's just simply walk on this. I forgot the Oh my god. Just fucking do not do it. Why can't I not do it? Oh my god, I can't even do this. It's right there. Activate this. Bro, I can claw.
Look, click that one. Stack up. Tignan nyo sa end. Tapos pag kayo tatlo naka-stack, you can just...
Oh, there's a hitbox. I cannot do it. I cannot simply just around it. Why you pick?
people.
Why? Just pick that. No game!
Yes.
I'm just gonna click it.
Oh, it's not.
Don't pick the game with the orbs thing.
Abby.
Bitch, I am
No orbs. No orb. Oh, you're new. Abby.
Bitch, shut up.
Mm.
Let's pick a rage game that makes me rage like 3 fucking times.
Game.
Just
Wait, this thing.
Mooga. No, not imposters, just Among Us.
Wait, this. Can make
Isn't that just the whole tip?
Nakakainis. Na.
The laser tower.
Nation.
It's just Philippines.
Yes. Oh, they could be.
I'm not doing that. Okay, yes, come. Yeah, we have to like the game. So everything's just this. Can I just What is the laser color? I thought that was red shit.
So the deep.
But it's gonna be weird when they push this. More people are adding me more often. Next! Next! Oh! Oh! Oh, I died! Oh! Ah! What do I pick? Oh! Oh! Whoa! 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 Oh! 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 Whoa! Whoa! What do I pick? What do I pick? It's up! Flop! Chad! Less people pick for that. That's literally a separate. What the fuck? Dash round. Ippy fucking day. I don't wanna say. What a pillar of fortune. I'm mama picks now. Ah! James just left the call! Oh,
Welcome.
you're back? We're gonna be playing Minecraft.
Um,
Minecraft!
Minecraft or
Oh wait, I have to change my avatar. Um,
Minecraft or
I'm back to the new one. Both.
Roblox Craft.
Now I become a sitting game. Ah, today we are gonna be playing Minecraft and my hitbox is too big, so if I get hit by this, this will hit me by fire flame. It's gonna light me off. James, why did you make this thing? Oh, lucky block! It's a lucky block.
We need to buy it.
Alright, I got blocked.
Wizard.
I am the wizard. There's nothing.
Tiny.
So we get the lucky box in the bottom.
Jump it. Dead.
Oh,
Heal.
heal. If someone hits me, I'm called. I got blocks again. Fuck. I heal myself. Oh! Oh! No, I don't want this. I want to do the
Make a
floors.
house.
We're making a house. By making a floor.
Heal again.
Oh, we have a flip. No one shall come for me if I have TNT. I will have
Heal.
an. I will have.
You cannot have heal.
Let's go to the thing.
Nagali na.
Got it. Oh, where's the bridge? I have the Minecraft logic breaking. Does Bro try to attack me from the bottom? Yes. Absolutely yes. If I get hit by a bomb.
Pwede niya.
Why did I get damaged? Mine. Give me some grapple. Oh, I got a this.
Heal again.
Oh!
again, go. Is it? Heal.
How do I put my blocks? I'm so bad I do not know how to put my blocks. My god! Someone with the bow shooting me down. Heal. Heal potion. Heal. Heal. Healing.
Ayun kasi healing start. Healing start.
What's bird doing? He's trying to get to me.
There's a minute. No.
Oh, there is a minute. I didn't see that. Defense. Defense.
Oh yeah. Oh, go, go up.
Oh, I'm gonna die if I fall down.
Can just
Stop!
that.
Shut!
Take
Ah!
With that. Maski hindi ka mag-jump. With that.
Hello, buddy. Oh!
Hidden.
What the? I got flagged off the map for playing games by game, and I died. Mm-mm. This is the last game, James, of this game. I bought the healer in this game. I have played these games before you guys ever seen it. This game's already been broken or torn apart, but I wish to play this game because no one plays it. It's a lot of fun. It is the same thing as Minecraft, but more better. It's like it has something. It's the same as Minecraft. It's like a lot. You don't even need to pay the Minecraft from the Apple Store. You can just search it. Friends. Next day. What? Rewards. Wow, money, 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 money. Now there's lucky blocks. They set up.
Just like.
Oh, I got a team pool. Give me flint. Oh, custom. Where do I go? There.
Yun.
That's not like. I'm a wizard. Ching 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 ching. Fall down. Ching 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 ching.
So teleport again. Wait, do the
Ching ching ching
teleport.
ching 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 ching
Jump!
ching ching ching
Jump,
ching
jump.
ching 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 ching. We're just falling.
No, they tried to teleport.
Yeah, I know. The orchard.
They teleport.
So,
Do that. Do the
hello, buddy.
healing potion.
No, that's just healing. That's healing. For us.
Heal yourself first. Go.
But I should use my staff.
Do that.
Yes, that. Hello, buddy. Wanna play? Yeah, you wanna play? PRPs. I'm lagging. I'm lagging! I'm gonna die from lag. So, wish me luck, guys. Guys. I'm winning. Shing. Come on! Yo. It's my potions. Come on. Oh, it's my potion. Sword! Oh my god! Okay, it's the end of the video. I don't want to do it anymore.